Who will take on such a task? Capture nature on a chart. Reflecting particles and waves, morphing and evolving before your eyes. What you get is anyone's guess, depending on who's looking on. Considering the looker and nature are one. Called connected health. I, the master, it, the servant, separate and above. I use and abuse, whatever pleases me. After all, why is it there? Then came global warming, a myth to some. Nothing to see here, moving right along. Such a mystery to me, how a myth changes everything. I wonder what an impact to expect if it turned out to be real. Can I afford to be wrong? Prime time, let's flip the script, or the generations to come pay the price. Being all connected changes everything. What is now seen can no longer be unseen. Then the health of all things becomes healthy for all things. We all work together to regenerate what we are in the process to obliterate. Going beyond survival to thrive and celebrate life. Thank you very much.